My name is William Bergerat, and I'm a junior at the Outdoor Academy. I recently had the opportunity to take part in a special event for the 100th year of the Outdoor Academy. Ms. Dixon reached out to me about a drone show for the signature Banyan Ball Gala. I got to work with Open Sky Productions, a drone show creation company. I was so excited to discover that I could take part in every facet of the project. I got to select the music, choose the colors, and choose most of the images that were shown in the sky. For me, the coolest part was working closely with the company on site. I helped unpack the drones and place them in a grid formation. Drone formation is so they don't crash to each other and are also not a mile apart. Safety is a main factor, and if a drone goes down, there will be an empty spot, which makes the show imperfect. The Outdoor Academy is unlike any other school. This opportunity would not have been provided if I went to another local school. When I saw the end result that night, I thought it was amazing. All of it coming together before my eyes. I hope everyone in the Banyan Ball was surprised in a great way to see this unexpected performance of excellence delivered by the Outdoor Academy.